He's going down the river of Lila Nadi. He's going from this Leela to that Leela to this. These are all the prominent Leelas at Govardhan. Because Govardhan, when you go into the theater, they can only show you the movies in the theater. Whatever's there in their stock, they can show you. So Govardhan, you're praying to me, Giriraj, to show you Leelas of Radha and Krishna. So what am I supposed to show you? I'm supposed to show you the Leelas at Vamshivat and Sevakunj? No, I'll show you what's in my stock. Dan Gati Leela, Govardhan. Leelas and Radhakund and all the kunds, that's Govardhan. Manasi Ganga, boating, Noka Bihar, Govardhan. Right? Giridhari lifting a Govardhan. So you wanted Leela, so I can show you all these. I have these with me. These are always going on eternally. And at my Leela stali, at Giriraj, these Leelas are going on eternally. And your heart's desire is to see them, and you're begging me, then you can certainly see me. See these Leelas. And he's seeing them one by one. This is Swarasiki. One Leela after another, and then so much other things going on. There's so much movement, so much dialogue, so much conversation, so much ras, so much anubhavs and vibhavs, and everything going on.